Wala pong problema sa YouTube settings ninyo. Hindi po kayo namamalikmata at mas lalong hindi po mabagal ang internet connection ninyo. Dahil ang gamit ko po ngayon ay ang webcam ng aking laptop. So bakit webcam po ng laptop ang gamit ko sa pag-vlog ngayon? Dahil yan po ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon because we will turn this to this. Hello everyone, it's me again, Sir Louie. So kung di mo pa ako kilala, I'm a public school teacher here in the Philippines. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, ay huwag mong kakalimutan na mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga susunod kong videos. So, for today's vlog ay pag-uusapan natin ngayon kung paano natin magagamit ang ating mobile phone as substitute na web cameras sa ating laptop. So alam naman natin ngayon for the online synchronous teaching, medyo mapapadalas ang web conferences natin with our students. So parang ang pangit naman kung masyadong malabo yung camera na ginagamit natin as we talk to them. So gladly, meron tayong technique or meron tayong paraan kung paano natin magagamit yung magandang resolution ng camera ng cellphones natin as replacement doon sa poor quality ng web cameras ng laptop natin. Kasi mga laptops kasi usually 0.5 to 0.9 megapixels yung resolution ng camera ng mga laptops natin. Sa mga cellphones, yung mga bagong labas na mga models sa mga smartphones ngayon, usually nasa 12 megapixels, 16, meron pang ang 32 megapixels. So, mas malinaw yung images or mas malinaw yung video conferencing natin, mas malinaw tayong makikita ng mga estudyante natin as we teach during online classes. So, naganda po ako ng video para magamit po natin yung cellphone natin as substitute sa web camera ng ating laptop.
Ayan, so the first thing that we have to do is to install the DroidCam client in our computer. So to do this, we have to open our web browser and copy the link in the description box below. Let's open the Google Play Store and search DroidCam Wireless Webcam. Then click Install. Please make sure that the IP and port numbers on both devices are the same. either wireless or wired connection. What we just did earlier was the wireless connection between your laptop and your mobile device. In the absence of internet connection, you can still connect your mobile device to your laptop using your USB cable. But before this, you have to go to your phone settings and activate the developer options. To do this, look for the About Phone options in your settings, click Software Information, then tap the build number 7 times. After tapping the build number 7 times, you can see that the developer option is now visible in your settings option. Click the developer options and switch on the USB debugging option. After this, go back to your DroidCam app and connect your mobile phone to your laptop using your USB cable. Then in the DroidCam client on your laptop, click the USB icon and click the refresh icon for the client to search for your device. Also change the send and receive resolution of the video conference. Then after this, click Done.
So yun lang po yung steps natin kung paano natin magagamit yung ating mobile phone as substitute sa web camera ng ating laptop. So kung natulungan po kayo ng video nito, so give this video a thumbs up at i-share nyo na rin po sa inyong mga friends and colleagues para malaman din po nila na pwede po palang gamitin ang cellphone sa web camera ng ating mga laptops. So sana po ay may natutunan kayo sa vlog kong ito. At kung may topic po kayo na gusto nyong gawan ko ng tutorial video ay mag-comment lang po kayo sa baba. At huwag nyo pong kakalimutan na mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para maging updated kayo sa susunod kong videos. So see you po sa susunod kong vlog.